Cooking doesn't have to be expensive or complicated, especially when preparing meals for seniors. Simple, soft, and comforting dishes can be just as delicious and much easier to enjoy. Today we'll explore 20 cheap and simple British dinners that are perfect for seniors to try at home. Let's get started. Number 1. Shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie is a true classic in British cuisine, known for its rich flavor and comforting texture. It is made with minced lamb that is slowly cooked in a savory gravy, often combined with soft vegetables like carrots and peas. This mixture is then topped with a thick layer of creamy mashed potatoes and baked until golden on top. The result is a dish that is incredibly soft, easy to eat, and deeply satisfying. Every spoonful offers warmth and comfort, making it a perfect dinner choice for seniors who enjoy traditional flavors without needing anything too heavy or difficult to chew. Number 2. Cottage pie. Cottage pie is very similar to shepherd's pie, but instead of lamb, it uses minced beef. This makes it slightly more affordable while still maintaining that rich, hearty taste. The beef is cooked slowly with onions and gravy until tender, then topped with smooth mashed potatoes. Like shepherd's pie, it is baked until the top becomes lightly golden. It's simple, filling, and ideal for anyone looking for a comforting, home-cooked meal that doesn't require complicated preparation. Number 3. Fish and mash. Fish and mash is a lighter alternative that is perfect for seniors who prefer something gentle and easy to digest. Soft, flaky fish, usually steamed or baked, is served alongside creamy mashed potatoes. The fish is mild in flavor and very easy to chew, making it ideal for those with sensitive teeth or digestion. It's a healthy, balanced meal that provides protein while still being soft and comforting. Number 4. Bangers and mash. Bangers and mash is one of the most loved British comfort foods. It features sausages served with mashed potatoes and a generous amount of warm gravy. For seniors, choosing softer sausages and serving them with extra gravy helps make the dish easier to eat. The creamy mash combined with the rich flavor of the sausages creates a meal that is both satisfying and familiar. Number 5. Vegetable soup. A warm bowl of vegetable soup is one of the simplest and healthiest meals you can prepare. By blending cooked vegetables such as carrots, potatoes, and peas, you create a smooth, easy-to-digest dish that is full of vitamins and nutrients. It's light, comforting, and perfect for evenings when a heavy meal is not needed. Number 6. Lentil soup. Lentil soup is both affordable and highly nutritious. Lentils become naturally soft when cooked, making them ideal for seniors. This soup is rich in protein and fiber, helping to keep you full while still being gentle on the stomach. It's a practical and comforting option for everyday meals. Number 7. Jacket potato with beans. A jacket potato is simply a baked potato with a soft, fluffy inside. When topped with warm baked beans, it becomes a complete and satisfying meal. The combination is simple but very comforting, offering both texture and flavor without being difficult to eat. Number 8. Soft egg and chips. This meal is quick, easy, and requires very little effort. Soft cooked eggs paired with oven chips create a balanced and familiar dinner. For seniors, cooking the eggs gently ensures they remain soft and easy to enjoy. Number 9. Cheese and onion pie. This dish combines a soft mixture of cheese and onions inside a light pastry crust. The filling is mild, creamy, and easy to chew, making it a great option for those who prefer softer foods with gentle flavors. Number 10. Chicken stew. Chicken stew is all about slow cooking. The chicken becomes tender and soft as it cooks with vegetables in a flavorful broth. The result is a warm, comforting dish that feels like home. It's easy to eat, nutritious, and perfect for relaxing evenings. Number 11. Rice pudding. Rice pudding is creamy, soft, and soothing. While it is often served as a dessert, it can also be enjoyed as a light dinner. Its gentle sweetness and smooth texture make it especially suitable for seniors who prefer something simple and comforting. Number 12. Tuna pasta. Tuna pasta is quick to prepare and very affordable. Soft pasta mixed with tuna and a light sauce creates a balanced and satisfying meal. It's easy to chew and can be made in just a short time, making it ideal for busy days. Number 13. Scrambled eggs on toast. This is one of the simplest meals you can make. Fluffy scrambled eggs served on soft toast provide both protein and comfort. It's light, nutritious, and perfect for any time of the day. Number 14. Pea and ham soup. This traditional British soup is smooth, warm, and full of flavor. The peas create a soft texture while the ham adds a gentle, savory taste. It's both comforting and satisfying without being too heavy. Number 15. Macaroni cheese. Macaroni cheese is creamy, cheesy, and incredibly comforting. The soft pasta combined with a smooth cheese sauce makes it easy to eat and enjoyable for all ages. It's a classic comfort dish that never goes out of style. Number 16. Boiled chicken with vegetables. This is a light and healthy option for those who prefer simple meals. The chicken is soft and tender, while the vegetables provide essential nutrients. It's easy to digest and perfect for maintaining a balanced diet. Number 17. Sausage casserole. Sausage casserole is slow-cooked to bring out deep, rich flavors. The sausages become soft and tender as they cook in a thick gravy, making this dish both comforting and easy to eat. Number 18. Mashed mixed vegetables. Blended vegetables with a bit of butter create a smooth, soft, and nutritious meal. It's perfect for seniors who need something very easy to chew while still getting important nutrients. Number 19. Fish pie. Fish pie combines a creamy fish filling with a layer of mashed potatoes on top. It's baked until warm and slightly golden, creating a dish that is soft, flavorful, and very satisfying. Number 20. Bread and butter pudding. This traditional dish is warm, soft, and slightly sweet. It can be enjoyed as a dessert or even as a light dinner. Its gentle texture makes it perfect for relaxing evenings. These 20 meals remind us that cooking doesn't need to be complicated to be meaningful. Simple ingredients, gentle textures, and familiar flavors can create meals that are both comforting and nourishing. Whether you're cooking for yourself, a parent, or a loved one, these British dishes offer warmth, simplicity, and care in every bite. Take your time, enjoy the process, and bring comfort back to your kitchen. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more simple and budget-friendly meal ideas. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!